Hello, in this video, I want to show you how you can manually manage a student's access to courses in just a few clicks. So what I have here, this is a copy of ThriveCart School. It's a demo and I'm just using it so that if I want to make any permanent changes, it's in the demo, not in the one that you have access to right now. Now, there's a couple things that you can take a look at on this page. This is the back end of where the course is built, and then at the front end what people will see will be slightly different to this. On this main course page, you'll notice this is the module at the start and these are the lessons. On the left hand side, this is the course layout that I have selected. I can easily change it by clicking course layout. At the moment I have the grid page, but I could go for a sidebar or a top menu depending on how many lessons that you have. If you have 6 or more modules, I think the grid looks really nice, or if you have some sort of image-based course, the grid looks really good as well. But I'm diverting a little bit, so I'll go right back. Let's talk about tags, specific tags. So in this course, if I had a student enrolled, I could attach a tag to a particular module if I didn't want someone to have access to it, or if I wanted to give someone only access to a module. And what that means is that if I have two students, John and John was only getting half of the course, I could limit his access just to half and Anna could have everything. Or if they both had access to the full course, but I wanted to give Anna something extra, then I could assign a tag to that. So this is where you would do it. You'd go specific tags. I just made that tag before. You can call it anything you want. Extra lessons. Say book. They're two different tags. And now this would be locked to only people with those tags, and they're the only people that would have access to it. So let's just pretend that that's what we want. We're just going to save it. And the next thing we want to do is go to the students and find out what the students are doing. So we'll go over to Learn. We'll go to Students. And now this is where you can start to assign tags specifically to individuals, and you can manage their profiles. So I'll just take any of my test profiles here. And if you click on the far right hand side where it says filter by tag, give access, suspend, revoke, or change plan. What we're going to do is we're going to give access firstly to this person, to the ThriveCart copy. There we go, give access, done. And then if you want to filter it by tag, you can type in anything you like here. And if there was a tag that was assigned to that person before, then they would have it. I'm actually going to spend some time later this week and go into really big detail around tags, how you can use them, and what they mean for you as a course creator and when you're selling your course. If you have watched this very short video and you have a very specific question, something you want to know, please leave a comment below so that I can see it, and then I can take that into consideration when I'm making the video and cover it as part of the answering your question, and then I can let you know once the video is published. But this is just to give you a very short, quick introduction to show you where tags are in the course, and then secondly, how to update the user's access details and give them access to another course, or to disable access altogether. Okay, thank you so much.